Alright guys, I got my boy Petey shooting that vibrant red, that 93, man. It's looking good. Let's see it right here. There he is, doing his thing. You guys ain't ready to see what he's gonna do with the engine bay. That vibrant red, woo, man, gives me chills just seeing that red, bro. When I was in high school, just come out in the parking lot and see that only fucking red car. My shit. There it is, fellas. Got you a little update. Got my brother doing the Wild Rides torque boxes. Torque boxes on the upper side was pretty good. I decided to go with the Wild Rides stuff because I don't know if you guys could see, but man, this is nice shit. It's thick.
Fits perfectly.
It fits perfect. And the other stuff just kind of thin, you know? So yeah, man, there's a couple updates. Big update. I had a dream last night that the car wasn't going to be able to have a sway bar with this front clip. So I did something that was unthought of and unheard of, maybe. I don't know, I've never seen it. But I welded in the factory sway bar mount. So y'all, we hard at it again. At this point right now, we're pretty much ready to primer the whole firewall and the engine bay. Got my man Juan helping me as always, my late night crew. You see we got this firewall pretty smoothed out. My buddy went to go get some more primer. Body shop right next door. We got this front end all sanded down, or I guess scuffed, and I got these factory sway bars, fellas. I couldn't imagine not running one. I know this is like kind of like a drag setup, but I was like, hell no, we're running it. So I cut these out of the stock box body frame rail, and I kept cutting it until it fit good up on this, and then I put a little piece in the back to box it in to the frame, and then filled it in with weld all down there, guys. Got some good welds all the way down, and it's solid. Measures exactly, I forgot what it's, I think it's like 18 1/8 or 13 1/8. I forgot the measurement, but it's exact on both sides. I got it level with the frame. Used some angle iron and clamped it down on this part down here and set it on. And pretty much, you guys go. It's gonna be smooth, fellas. I got the Scott Rod panel coming over here to cover all this. So that's why this ain't smooth, but it will be. So that's the update on the engine bay. And I got a quick little surprise for you guys. What you think? You like it?
I like it. It looks good. Love the color.
It's the same.
I'm ready.
It's the same. Well, it's the same color as the Cobra on the outside, but it's close to your car, right?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, it's vibrant red.
Looks good.
So my buddy came and sprayed this with the gun earlier. It's a single stage vibrant red from the 93. So it's not like a 3-stage where you got the clear and all that. The clear's already in the paint. But I mean, for the bottom of the car, the engine bay, all this other stuff, you know, this thing is gonna be cherry, fellas. So in the next day or two, we're gonna paint the whole bottom of the car, engine bay, everything that color. So it's gonna be sick. What you think?
I'm ready. Excited.
Clean Cobra.
It's gonna be cleanest Cobra out there.
Well, yeah, there's not many of them on the road.
Yeah.
But just trying to get this thing a roller. I've been tired of seeing it sit, you know, for 4 or 5 years in the corner of my shop. So it's time she get her glory and get back on the road, fellas. So this is big update with the Cobra.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them talk up their body, another one.
Alright guys, let the roll cage fit it in. Y'all fast steady.
Yo.
Tacking it in.
Yeah, welding the Maximum Motorsport roll bar in. I had to let it dry a day because my boy painted it so nicely. And we got this pole jack. Actually, we can take this off now because it's in place. And, ooh, that's probably not a good idea. Yeah, so we let it dry a day and now we got it all fit in. And just welding her in. We decided to actually bolt the roll bar in and weld it in because this floor, man, I'm not trusting my life to it. That shit's kind of flimsy, you know. And we put a plate down here also, and we're gonna weld it. So these floors are real thin. But besides that, now when we get this floor, everything tacked up, we can finish the bottom. So then we were able to paint everything. So we're almost there, fellas. Keep it tight, and we'll keep giving you some updates.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Herb on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Oh my God, now they all look jealous. Brand new drip, hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last dog, you can do better. You ain't got shit on me, homie, that's
Cobra's come a long way, Ed. Crazy, dude. Agenda. I like it.
Woo! All right, fellas. Time has come. All this hard work. Look at my boy, man. Magic. Look at that, fellas. Y'all ever seen a car, let alone a 93 Cobra like that? Vibrant red everywhere. A little update for you guys. I hope you guys like it. My boy Petey getting down. It's already been painting for like an hour. Gotta get in all the crevices and cracks, and it's a lot of work and a lot of painting, fellas. So that's why I don't think I ever seen another box like this.
Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night. Said I'm good to go, only if the bag right. Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right. Told her how I'm living, welcome to the fast. Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night. Said I'm good to go, only if the bag right. Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right.
Alright, y'all. Think you guys gonna like it. Man, Pablo got down. What you think, Petey?
Ain't ready.
Ain't ready. A little taste of that, fellas. Yeah, let me know when you guys have ever seen a car like this. That wasn't on Can Dig It. Look at this shit, fellas. That's that 93 Vibrant Red, fellas. Firewall, smooth as glass. Strut tower, smooth as glass. Here you guys go, man. 2-3 weeks of hard work. And this car looks like it's a brand new car, man. Even better than a brand new car. I ain't never had nothing like this. My coupe ain't even that nice. Big thank you to all my team. My brother, Jesus, Eddie, Pablo, Juan, and all the guys that helped me. My buddy Chris, you know who you are. All the guys helping me get this thing back on the road, man. I'm pretty fucking blessed. Bunch of help. Bunch of guys helping me. And I hope we created something special, man. Special car we got here, you know. And since we had a lot of extra paint, look at that shit. Yeah, you know, since I got all black suspension components from Maximum, thought that red would look good, and we had a lot of it, so there's what we use, fellas. One stage or single stage, some activator and some reducer, and she's done.
650 motors for y'all.
Yee! Right on, brother. Damn, man, I can't get over it. Can't get over how clean that is. Look at that shit.
The dream come true.
Fuck, I ain't never had nothing this nice. It's a lot of hard work though, bro. I owe my wife a lot. I've been home a lot of nights. I haven't put my son to sleep in a few nights. I'm stressed out because she's about to have a baby, and it's just all come down to this. It's a good moment, man. It's a good moment, fellas. All right, man. The hard part continues. We'll start building it and keep you guys updated.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Herb on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. Now I made plays, so they all look jealous.